fellow batch 72 ay parang gusto ko pang balik ulit sa atong pag-eskwela sa high school. Hindi naman ta, natipok naman ta din eh. Tapos niyaran atong mga teachers. So, nahimot ay kung kita anong higayon sa atong Panginoong Diyos na magkita kita na basog pa atong lawas. Guwapa o guwapo ng yapon sa atong mga nakita ko. So, mayo, kaya ako ay mag-report lang sa among kalihukan sa NCR Group. In behalf of my colleague in the NCR, Arnel Joaquino del Pintuela, Manuel Santos, Romulo Latino, and Julio Interina, we assure all members of our batch that we are one of whatever projects or any activities to be done and conducted by our batch as far as charitable works is concerned. For all we know that our main objective is to help the less fortunate and give assistance to the needy by sharing them the blessings that we have, materially and spiritually. This was a topic that we often discuss every time Arnel, our Center of Communication, calls us for a meeting. Despite our residence is far distance away from both of us, and yet busy for some personal commitment, still we attend the meeting with perfect attendance most of the time, because we love so much our batch, and we're supporting this batch's greatest mission to be accomplished and be a part of making a history for our alma mater and became a legend someday. Thanks to Arnel Delpin and his wife Sonia, who were very supportive and attend our needs in every meeting. Also thanks to Felix who provided also as the reunion program, to Dennis Helen, the Center of Communication of Cagayan, and Edgar Yan of Talisay Cluster, and to all my fellow batch for updating us the information of our batch. Special thanks to our beloved parents also, and to our former high school teachers who love and equip us with a strong fundamental foundation and a good quality education, which is a big factor of our success. Through God's divine intervention, we salute you, our great teachers, and our alma mater. We can't forget you. Mabuhay tayong lahat.